How to compare AI and manual ad campaign management. In today's digital landscape, businesses are constantly seeking efficient and effective ways to manage their advertising campaigns. Two primary methods dominate this space: AI driven campaign management and traditional manual approaches. Let's dive into the differences and benefits of each to help determine which might be the best fit for your business needs. AI driven ad campaign management utilizes sophisticated algorithms and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data. It automatically optimizes campaigns in real time, adjusting bids, targeting, and creatives based on performance metrics. This can result in increased efficiency, as AI can quickly adapt to changes in consumer behavior and market trends without the need for human intervention. On the other hand, manual ad campaign management relies on human insight and expertise. This approach allows for nuanced decision making and a deep understanding of brand messaging and audience interaction that AI might miss. Experienced marketers can leverage their knowledge to craft creative strategies that resonate uniquely with target audiences, something AI might struggle to achieve when relying solely on data patterns. AI can save time by handling repetitive tasks and providing 24/7 management support, but it may lack the personal touch and intuition that come with human oversight. Conversely, while manual management offers flexibility and creativity, it can be time consuming and may not react as swiftly to real time data as AI systems. When evaluating which approach to adopt, consider factors like the scale of your campaigns, budget, and available resources. Blend the efficiency of AI with the strategic insights of skilled marketers for an ideal balance. Regardless of your choice, regularly monitor performance and be ready to adapt strategies as required to ensure optimal results.